Cones, welcome back to another stylicious and delicious cake and candy episode. I'm super excited, we're close to Easter, it's a beautiful time, I just love it. So I created a lovely cake pop tutorial all about Eastern chicken, so have fun with that. As usual, I start the tutorial with an already mixed and crumbled cake pop dough. You can find the recipe and the tutorial in the info box in the top right corner. Then I rolled out the cake pop dough to about 3/4 of an inch thick layer. And then I used a 1.5 inch cookie cutter and cut out a round circle. And with a slightly smaller round cookie cutter, I left an indent into my cookie dough. And by using a knife, I got rid of the side parts of the cake pop. And that was some sort of the basic shape that we needed to create the Easter chicken cake pop. And then I used my hand to even out the surface of the cake pop. And this is the kind of shape you are looking for. Next, we insert the cake pop stick into our Easter chicken. So we dip our cake pop stick into the white candy coating and gently twisting it right halfway through the cake pop. Next, we completely dip our Mr. Chicken, or Mr. Easter chicken. I have some yellow candy coating prepared. You can find the colors in the description box below. And make sure when you dip the cake pop completely that all the excess is going to drip off the cake pop, and you can create that by gently tapping off the excess by using the glass. And if you have any air bubbles on your cake pop, make sure you poke them with a toothpick. We paint on Mr. Chicken's little face by using some black poppy paint. I did the face with a toothpick just because I didn't have a small brush around, so I highly recommend you use with a brush, it's much more simple. And then I just painted on a spout, which has a typical spout shape, and some closed eyes with a little bit of a lash that comes out of every eye, and that's pretty much it. It's a very simple, a very easy cake pop with a very neat and clean design. And if you don't like the result, you can easily take a wet toothpick and go over it and just remove the drawings quite easily. Now we're doing the final decoration for the chicken cake pop. I used a bow fondant mold, and I went for the biggest bow on that mold, and I took some green fondant, and I also used some powdered sugar, or I think it was cornstarch, to avoid the fondant sticking to my mold. And then I placed some of the green fondant into my mold and made sure that it was covering the complete bow. And I also used a knife to get rid of the parts that I didn't really like, that I really had a very nice, very good looking bow on top of my sweet little Easter chicken. And then I easily pulled the bow out of the fondant mold. And finally, I glued my bow to my Mr. Chicken. I did that with a little bit of piping gel, but you can also do that with some water or with some melted candy wafers. Here we have our Easter chicken cake pop with a cute green bow on top. So candy cones, thank you so much for watching. If you like it, give it a like and leave a comment down below. I see you all in the next video, and always remember, stay sweet and stay true. Bye!